Are you looking for ways to earn some extra income? Then look no further. In today's video, we're going to show you 5 lucrative side hustle ideas that you can start right away and make your first $10,000 online. Making $10,000 online sounds like an ambitious goal, but it is attainable with the right strategies and hard work. If you're tired of your day job not paying you enough, or you just need another means to earn extra money while doing something you love, then keep watching this video. Because with the era of the internet, there are endless opportunities to make money online. Number 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most flexible and surest ways to make money online. It involves working for an individual or a company under a contract that does not require a long-term commitment. In other words, freelancing is a form of self-employment that gives you ultimate freedom. You get to choose whom to work with and where to work from as long as there is an internet connection. With freelancing, you can make anywhere from $100 to $10,000 a month depending on your skill level and how much time you are willing to commit to doing it. Sounds too good to be true? Keep watching as we show you how to get started. Whether you are a writer, designer, programmer, or virtual assistant, there is an opportunity for you as a freelancer. The first step is to decide on what service you want to offer as a freelancer. Once you decide on the service, you can sign up on a freelance platform like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Here is how to make your first $10,000 on Fiverr. Go to fiverr.com and click join on the top right side of the menu. Enter your email address to continue. Next, you will be required to choose a username. Note that it cannot be changed later. Pro tip, pick a username that is memorable and reflects the service that you offer. For instance, Designer Joe. Choose a secure password and click join. An activation link will be sent to your email address for verification. You're almost done, but there is still one final step before the dollars start rolling in. The final step is to create a gig and start selling on Fiverr. Note that the step of creating an account on Fiverr is similar to every other freelance platform. Number 2, social media manager. Have your parents ever complained that you spend too much time on social media? Well, what if we told you that you could convert the time you spend scrolling endlessly on Facebook or checking pictures on Instagram into a real business that pays you good money? And no, you don't need to do anything differently from what you do daily on your phone. The pay can range from $50,000 to $5,000 per month, depending on the brands involved. So how do you get started? First, you need to have essential knowledge of how different social media platforms work, because this side hustle involves helping big brands increase their online presence. Some of the roles you would be expected to play include social media strategy, content creation, running ads, and community management. Getting your first client as a social manager is the most difficult step, but here is how to do it. Companies of all sizes are always on the search for professionals who can manage their social media. So make a list of companies that you know, starting with the local businesses in your area. Check whether they have a strong social media presence. If they don't, this is where you come in. Send them an email and offer to manage their social media accounts for a price. Do this a few times and you'll land your first paying client before you know it. Number 3, start an agency. After successfully freelancing or being a social media manager for years, the next step for most online entrepreneurs is to start an agency. And it's not hard to see why, because an online agency is one of the easiest ways to make $10,000 per month. Does this sound exciting to you? If yes, then we will show you what you need to know to get started. But the first step in starting your agency is to define your niche. Do you want to offer web development services, content writing and SEO, social media marketing, or logo designing services? Take a moment to decide your answer, because it is important for the next step. Once you've defined your niche, the next step is to build a team. Yes, building an agency makes you an employer, and your team is the most crucial part of your agency. The next step is to find your first clients. This is, of course, one of the most difficult steps, but you can increase your chances of making money faster by building a personal brand. Leverage social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram to showcase your skills and get your first paying client. Number Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is probably one of the most talked about ways of making money online. Affiliate marketing is popular because it is one of the fastest and cheapest ways to make that first $10,000 online. All you need to do is promote other people's products and earn a commission. Needless to say, there are countless videos on this topic, but we are going to show you how you can earn up to $300 daily on ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the biggest affiliate networks. It has been around since 1998 and has paid over $6.2 billion in commissions to affiliates promoting ClickBank products. Not only that, but it also pays high commissions of up to 75%, meaning you can expect to earn anywhere from $15 to $50 for a single sale. Now imagine you are making 5 sales per day of a product that pays you $50 commission. Okay, it's time to stop imagining. Let's show you how to get started. First, head on to clickbank.com. This is what the homepage looks like. Next, you want to click on the Start Here button, which brings you to this next page. Here, you will be asked a few questions to customize your ClickBank experience, but the fastest way to move on is to click the Skip This Quick Start Guide. On the new page, you will be required to enter your personal information such as your name, phone number, email address, and password. Don't forget to read the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once your account is live, it's time to pick one out of the thousands of products listed on ClickBank and start marketing it to earn amazing commissions. After your account has accumulated more than $10, you can withdraw your money through a check, direct deposit, wire transfer, or Payoneer. Number 5, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the hottest topics in technology right now, and for good reasons. It is an emerging technology that allows computers to simulate human intelligence and perform certain tasks that typically require human interference. You probably use AI tools every day, but you may not be aware. However, what if we told you that this amazing technology is one of the easiest ways to make money online? You can say AI is the new gold rush. So what are the ways to make money with AI? The most popular way people make money with AI is through AI-generated content. With a generative AI tool like ChatGPT, you can literally create hundreds of blog articles in a single day. Yes, you heard that right. Let's say you are a freelance writer. Using a generative AI like ChatGPT would help you produce content faster and make more money. Armed with the articles you have generated, you can deploy some of the tactics we discussed in the freelancing option above, such as marketing the skills on Fiverr or Upwork. Another way to make money with AI is through AI-generated images. AI tools such as DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney have revolutionized the creative industry. Anyone can generate stunning images using simple text prompts on any of these tools. For example, the following images were created using Microsoft's Bing AI image creator with this simple prompt: cool cat holding fish. You can offer your service on a freelance marketplace like Upwork or Fiverr and earn anywhere from $15 to $100 for every image generated. The only limit to what you can do with AI is your imagination. So there you have it. These are 5 side hustles that can help you make your first $10,000 online. Don't forget to hit the like button and turn on the post notification so that you will be the first to be notified when we drop a new video. Before you leave, watch another AI-inspired video on the new way to earn $500 per day with ChatGPT. Check the link in the description.